I'm making this Quilt As You Go Christmas stocking from fabric scraps, some leftover wadding, and a panel that I found discarded in my drawer over there. This is a reversible stocking which has the fabric panel on the inside. And then our fabric scraps on the outside. What do you think? Pretty cool? Let's go make it. Christmas stocking panel, scrap wadding, strips of Christmas fabric cut between 1 inch and 2 inches wide, bias binding, and a walking foot. Spray baste your panel to your wadding. Cut out your stocking. Have the stocking with the wadding side facing towards you. Then place your first fabric piece right side up and your second fabric piece right side facing down on top of your first fabric piece. And then stitch together with a 1/4 inch seam. Flip the top strip up and finger press. Then place your next fabric strip right side down on top of that one and stitch that one together with a 1/4 inch seam. Trim the excess fabric from your stockings. Attach the binding to the back of your stocking, raw edge to raw edge. And then turn it over and stitch it down on the front. Make a hanging tab. Place your stockings right sides together with your hanging tab sandwiched between the layers. Baste your stocking pieces together. Snip around the curves, making sure that you don't snip the stitching line. Stitch the binding down on the front. Turn your stocking right side out and stuff with your favorite things. How cute is this guy? Made from fabric scraps, leftover wadding, and a Christmas panel that you'd forgotten you had.